hi. Wow. Is that me? Damn, I've never looked this good before. I'm shook. Woo, sis. Oh wow. Let me take that ooh sis back for a minute. You look hurt. I'm gonna get this wig into shape and we're gonna start from the beginning, shall we? Okay, that's the stuff. Lego. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do some sexy burgundy glam. So without wasting any time, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. Let's go. So I'm going to be starting off by taking a crayon case highlighter, and I'm going to be using this as my base for my lid. When it dries down, it does become a bit tacky, and that allows for the makeup to better adhere to my lid. Okay, so now that I have my base down, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my eyeshadows. I'm going to be using the Makiage Color Boss Squad eyeshadow palette. This quad is the Trendsetter quad. As you can see, it already has the 4 perfect shades to do a complete eye look. So I'll be using all the colors inside this quad today. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my transition color, which is going to be the shade Shopaholic. Place the shade in my crease and blend it out using windshield wiper motions. I'm going to go ahead and next take the darker shade, which is the color Red Bottoms. I'm going to place the shade into my outer V and blend it out into my transition color. Now with my finger, I'm going to go ahead and place the color Killing It on the inner 2/3 of my lid. I'm going to use my finger to apply because personally I think it just applies better. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight the inner corners of my eye with the shade Do Your Thing. Taking Il Makiage's highlighter dust in the shade Gold Sand, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and lightly sweep the color over Killing It to give it a nice golden touch. Now with NYX Cosmetics Matte Black Eyeliner, I'm going to do my eyeliner in a certain way just so it elongates my eyes and makes it look more sexy and sultry. I do this by making the initial wing first, and then sweeping a thin line across my lid very close to the lash line, and adding an inner corner wing. Right now I'm using Il Makiage's Chocolate Mousse Gel Eyeliner to smoke up my lower lash line, while also using the Trendsetter eyeshadow palette once again. And now I'm going to go ahead and highlight the inner corners of my eyes with Il Makiage's highlighter dust Gold Sand. And I'm just highlighting the inner corner of my lower lash line. Za-da-za! Next I'm going to be using Il Makiage's Back to Black bronzer. I'm just going to do this to warm up my face a little bit. This mineral baked bronzer is a pretty deep peachy bronze and has a nice matte finish. I'm going to use this for the entirety of my contouring. For my blush, I'll be using Il Makiage's Color Boss Shadow in the shade Showstopper. This burgundy shadow has a metallic finish, so it's going to give my cheeks a nice glow. Now I'll be taking the Il Makiage highlighter dust Gold Sand. Once again, I'll be highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Using Il Makiage's Volume Mascara in the color Icon, I'm going to go ahead and coat my lashes and prep them for my false lashes. I'm going to go ahead and put it on Tatti Lashes. I like these lashes because they are very full and fluffy and natural looking, and I love that 3D lash effect. Now I got my eyelashes on and they are popping and just make you really say, damn. How you doing, good looking? So last but not least, we're going to go ahead and move on to the lips. I'll be lining my lips with Il Makiage's waterproof lip liner in the shade Aubergine. This lip liner has a velvet matte finish, a soft creamy texture, and is enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E, so it's good for your lips. It's also waterproof. To finish off my lips, I'll be using Makiage's lip gloss in the shade Natural. This lip gloss offers a high shine finish, has a light balmy texture, and is soothing, softening, and conditioning. Oh sis, you see there? Now I can say it again because I don't look busted. Woo! Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's supposed to be grungy and sexy. Now that the look is done, I am just living for it. I love it. I love the color combination. That quad was perfect just to complete that sexy date night look. Ooh, I'm just feeling my whole damn self right now. Yes. Come through, brows, shadow, lips, everything. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because if you're interested in seeing any more tutorials, just make sure you never miss a beat and follow me. Look, that subscribe button is right there. Right there. Click it. And also don't forget to follow me on IG at O'Malley. Until next time, Mally Cats. Come through cheekbones.